Again, I make one sheet of pasta and I fold it over. You want to start with 2-inch wide sheets. And then you can use a regular edge or a fluted edge and make them 3 inches long. And then I squeeze 1-inch long stuffing right at the lower edge, right in the middle of it though, leaving just a little bit of noodle on each side. And then I roll them up, fold them over. I squeeze the ends with my thumb down, and then I pinch the edges with my thumb and my middle finger to finish the shape. Once, and then a second. And then I use my thumbs and squeeze the edges flat so they seal. Pinch each edge with my thumb and my middle finger.